Talofa lover guys, welcome back to another episode, another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. Special Talofa to our Ainga members. Today I woke up a little bit later than usual, only because I was pretty tired from yesterday. So it's a little after 8 at the moment. Need to get started on the taro. I think today is going to be a very simple menu. Hopefully I keep it simple. Fingers crossed. But I think it'll be just the omu and got some mui and then some sausages, so that'll be it. Hopefully it stays that way and I don't make things a bit complicated. But yeah, hope everyone's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we're gonna get started on taro now. Right, finished scraping the taro. It's a little after 9 now, so I need to get started on the food. That should be enough. Look at that one. That's a oldie. Let's go. Here now at the Mukuka in the kitchen. I'm gonna load up the taro in the oven. Just got it on preheat at the moment. I found out that the taro cooks better when the oven is preheated, as opposed to throwing it in cold, because it's sort of like on the omu. You never throw the taro on the omu when it's cold. It's always throwing it in when it's hot. So after much experience, yeah, we do have to preheat the oven before we throw in the taro. Alright, so we've got the menu, which is the mui, and we've got some sausages here. We've also got chicken wings in the sink, so use the carrots for the mui and the cucumber. Not sure what the potatoes are for. We can probably set aside. Yeah, get starting to prep these and get them onto the heat. Alright, so my mui is onto the heat. I'm going to get started chopping with the veggies that'll go inside the mui stir fry. little bit of salt and pepper to the mamoe. We added just a little bit of water so we can boil it in, and then now added the salt and pepper. Give it a mix, then put it back on. Cap it. We're going to cap it and then let it reduce down to an oil. Just remembered I need to go air out the tiapula because we covered it with a tarpaulin to shield it from the sun, but let's go air it out because I don't want it all decomposed and stuff from the heat. So we're gonna go do that now. That's the tiapula we're hoping to plant tomorrow from our 5,000 we received. Should be okay. All right, I'm just gonna get started on the chicken wings now. I'm just gonna throw them in a pot, not a pot. We're gonna throw them in the oven tray, and I'm just gonna bake it with the taro so that it steams a bit. All right, guys, got the wings sorted now. I finally know what the potatoes were for. I hope I'm right. We're gonna roast it with the wings. So yeah, I'm just going to clean the potatoes, then pop them into some of these trays. We'll also scatter some of the sausages on top because it'll be fairly quick. Then should be done. Pop it in the oven. All right, got the potatoes in there. I think I'm going to throw in the carrots in the mamoe. Already added some onions to that. So I think the mamoe is probably about to reduce soon, so I just want to add in the carrots. Sorry guys, it's fogging up. Just want to add in the carrots while while there's still water before the oil cooks, before it reduces to an oil. Gonna give that a stir. So once it starts to reduce, then we'll add in the cucumber. Still thinking if I should add in a bit of pasta, but we'll see how we go. Alright, just added the sausage to where the chicken wings are. I think they're almost ready, so I'm going to take it out now. We can pop these in. I think we've got about an hour left before the church finishes, so I think we're on schedule. Whew, that's hot. Alright, almost done. I'm just going to shift this shelf to a bit up so I can slot the wings down in the oven tray, and the white one on top of this one. Push that in. We'll pop this just next to the second shelf. Alright, looking good. If you didn't watch yesterday's episode, be sure to watch it. I did a fa'alifu at the end of it. And that fa'alifu is the one I'm going to pop into the oven right now. Alright, look at that. Ooh, bam! See? Nothing goes to waste. Waste not, want not. So that's not reducing, sorry, that's not reducing as quick as I wanted to, even though I've taken off the lid so that most of the water evaporates quick. I've decided not to put in pasta, as the theme for today is to try to keep it simple. So I don't know, I'm thinking I might pour some of the stock out. If not, I can pour the stock into the chicken wings, and then we're still not losing the flavors, but so that we can get mamoe frying. changing my mind. We're gonna add in pasta. Only reason why is because the pasta will absorb the water and leaving behind the oil. So we're gonna add in pasta to quickly reduce that, and that should help it. But even if it doesn't reduce, it'll take up most of the water, and then we can have that fried look. But it doesn't really matter. Food is food. But I'm just gonna add in the pasta now. Now some of you might wonder, why don't I cook the pasta first before adding it? It doesn't really matter because we're actually pouring it. There's still water in there that'll help cook it. So plus there's oil from the lamb, which will help it not stick. So it's basically saving time as well. And then we just let it simmer for a bit, and then we'll add the cucumber and a bit of soy sauce for browning, and done. Boy, that pasta really worked a treat. If you guys can hear that, it's mostly not oil, but there's quite a large reduction of the water now. So we're gonna add in the cucumber, give it one more stir, and then add a bit of soy, and we're done. Alright, just added soy sauce, a bit of pepper. Just gonna give it a stir and then turn it off because I don't want the cucumbers cooked. I like it half cooked, so give this a stir now. Alright, man, that's looking really good. Also had a taste super good, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat. And we're gonna cap it. And then we'll wait for only the chicken wings left. Look on the chicken wings, church is finished. Oh, geez. Oh, wow. That's hot. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. Hey, may laok me uit. May laok me uit. It's cool. Alright, guys, here's those oolies I told you about. See how it's sort of like browned? That's why I love this, man. So good. So good. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Appreciate the support from you guys. I'm going to show you guys the results because it is it's mouth-watering, to say the least. Starting from this side, we've got our ma moi with the carrots and cucumbers, just a little bit of pasta there. We've got our chicken wings that we roasted with potatoes, and we've got our sausages that was also roasted in there, and our taro. We're missing our taro from the sakka yesterday. That's actually what I wanted to eat, but that's alright. This will do. So yeah guys, going to get to enjoying this now. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the support from you guys, all of us here on the channel. You know, it's growing a lot faster than I expected, and it's all because of you guys. So just want to say thank you guys for tuning in every time we upload our episodes, for commenting, subscribing, liking, you know, the usual stuff. So just want to say thank you guys. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then guys, you know, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. But until our next episode guys, God bless, take care, stay safe, have a great week, and we'll see you guys soon.